Hi, this is Nasraya. My YouTube channel name is Nasraya Tade, and also our channel name is Victory MSET Maths or Victory Maths Academy. You are selecting whatever it may be, the Victory Maths Academy and also Victory MSET Academy. Each and every day, I am uploading some videos, so don't miss my videos. Watch my videos, share my videos, and like my videos. Don't miss it. Right. Today our concept is trigonometry. In this concept, I have to give a simple and logical problems, and also we can be given answer within fraction of seconds. Right. Look here one problem, that is if 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to, what is the correct answer? Just have to guessing and given that answer. So solve this problem. Right. So there are two types. First of all, so look here, in this problem we have to applying the theta value. Have to applying here a theta value. So if theta is equal to 45 degrees, if theta is equal to 45 degrees, theta value substituting in this problem, 2 tan 45 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. So this is 2 into tan 45 degrees value is 1, is divisible by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees, that means 1 square. 1 square means 1. This is equal to 2 by 2. So our answer is 1. Our answer is 1. So we have to submission the value of theta in these 4 options. What is the coming value is 1. That is the correct answer. So you can be applying here cos 2 into 45 degrees, that means cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees is 0. So this is 0. Tan 2 into 45 degrees, tan 90 degrees. Tan 90 degrees means this is infinity. Look here, sine 2 into 45, sine 90 degrees. So sine 90 degrees is 1. So 1. And also look here, secant 2 theta, secant 90 degrees. So secant 90 degrees is, secant 90 degrees is infinity. Secant 90 degrees is infinity. So what is our correct answer is, C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. So this is a easy and simple concept to solve the problems. So look, another problem, that means another way of this problem. This is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. So 2 tan theta, 2 into sin theta by cos theta is divisible by 1 plus tan square theta. I have one formula, main formula, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Then that time I have to write secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. So that's why I have to write 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Secant square theta. This is equal to 2 into sin theta by cos theta into 1 by secant square theta. 1 by secant square theta is cos square theta. So this is equal to 1 cos cancel. So remaining here cos theta. So 2 sin theta cos theta, that is sin 2 theta formula. Have to sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. We can write these 2 sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta. So our answer is sin 2 theta. Our answer is sin 2 theta. There are two procedures. One is this is regularly procedure, and also this is a simple and shortcut procedure how to find the answer of given problem. Okay, so next problem, I have to go to another problem. If sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma is equal to 3, then find cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to what value that is. So there are 4 options given here. A is 0, B is 1, C is 2, D is 3. Right. So how to observe here, this is a logical and critical problem was given here, but how to apply a simple technique to this problem, you can find the answer within a fraction of seconds. How it can be possible here? So just this answer is A is the correct answer. So how we can find the answer? Simple. So that is if alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. This is a logical technique to find the answer of given problem. If alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is 90 degrees, then that time we can be applying here sin 90 degrees, sin 90 degrees, sin 90 degrees. Though this is equal to sin 90 degrees means 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is equal to 3. This is equal to 3. At the same time, we can be applying here cos 90 plus cos 90 degrees plus cos 90 degrees. So this is equal to, so cos 90 means 0 plus 0 plus 0. Therefore, final answer is our final answer is 0. So total that value is 0. So A is the correct answer. So next another problem can be solved here. That is a third problem. Cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, cos 3 degree, and so on. Cos 179 degrees. Cos 179 degrees. What value that is? So there are given options. A is 0, B is 1 by root 2, so C is 1 by 2, and finally D is 1. What is the correct answer? Look here. So first of all, we can observe here what is the given problem here. It is a continuous degrees in the ratios of cos values. Cos 1 degrees, cos 2 degrees, cos 3 degrees, and so on. Cos 179 degrees. So just we can observe here, just given simple and logical condition we can be applying here. So that is so here cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, cos 3 degree, and so on. Here cos 90 degrees and so on cos 179 degrees. So this is the logical thinking value is cos 90 degrees. So what is the value of cos 90 degrees is that value is 0. 0 into total value is 0. 0 into total value is 0. So that's why I have to give in a simple and logical concept to this. Answer is A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. A is the correct answer. And more than another problem. So another problem. That is a fourth problem. Tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees plus tan 20 degrees is divisible by cot 45 degrees minus cot 50 degrees. Cot 50 degrees, cot 70 degrees, cot 70 degrees. So this is tan 45 degrees plus tan 20 degrees by cot 45 degrees minus cot 50, cot 70 degrees. So there are options. 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, root 3, root 3, C is 1 by root 2, D is this is the problem. This is the problem. So here given problem is tan 45 degrees plus tan 20 degrees by cot 45 degrees minus cot 50 degrees, cot 70 degrees. Right. So just we can be applying here a logical thinking, that is solve this problem. So here this is tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees plus tan 20 degrees by tan 45 degrees plus tan 20 degrees by, so here cot 45 degrees value is 1 minus cot 50 degrees. Cot 50 degrees is tan 40 degrees. Tan 40 degrees. At the same time cot 70 degrees. Cot 70 degrees means tan 20 degrees. Sorry, is a small change here. This is not tan 45 degrees. This is a tan 40 degrees. This is tan 40 degrees. Okay, right. So now we can be applying the formula of tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So we can be applying here. This is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. This is tan 40 plus 20. This is equal to tan 60 degrees. So tan 60 degrees is root 3. Tan 60 degrees is root 3. So our answer is B is the correct answer. B is the correct answer. Once again look here. Here given problem is tan 40 degrees plus tan 20 degrees by cot 45 degrees minus cot 50 and cot 70. So here we are using a formula that is in the terms of formula tan A plus B. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. This is A plus B means 40 plus 20 means 60. So 40 plus 20 is tan 60 degrees. So tan 60 degrees value is root 3. So our final answer is root 3. Our final answer is root 3. So next we are going to another problem. We are going to another problem, that is find the value of find the value of 8 cos 10 degrees, cos 20 degrees, cos 40 degrees. So here given options: tan 80 degrees, cot 10 degrees, sin 80 degrees,